Welcome back to Emily's Colorful World. Today, follow her exciting Monday routine with new friends and surprises. Simple English, lots of laughs, and fun moments to help you learn happily. Waking up and morning stretch.
Good morning, Mia. My alarm just woke me up at 6:30.
Huh? Emily, you look so cute when sleepy. Did you dream nicely?
Yes, I dreamed about flying with colorful birds. So fun.
Wow, nice dream. What do you do right after waking?
First, I stretch my arms high like this. It feels amazing.
Stretching? Show me how you do it slowly.
Like this. Reach up, then touch my toes. Ouch a bit.
You're flexible. Does it help you feel awake?
Totally. My body feels loose and full of energy now.
Great. Do you open the window for fresh air?
Yes, listen, birds are singing outside happily. Tweet, tweet.
So peaceful. What about drinking water first thing?
I keep a bottle by my bed. I drink a full glass.
Smart habit. Water wakes up your body inside.
Exactly. Now I feel super refreshed already.
Next is face wash, right? With that cute foam?
Yep, I use gentle soap and splash cold water. Brr, cold.
Your face is pink now, looking brighter.
Thanks. I also smile at myself in the mirror. Positive start. Do you make your bed neat? Always. Folding blankets makes the room look tidy.
Perfect. You're ready for a wonderful day, Emily.
Yay! Let's go make some breakfast together.
I'm hungry too. Race you to the kitchen.
Outdoor morning yoga in the park.
Hi, Zoe. I'm starting my yoga routine in the park today.
Morning, Emily. You look ready. What's your first pose?
I begin with child's pose to relax my back.
Child's pose? Can you explain what it looks like?
Kneel down, fold forward, arms stretch out. So calming.
Ah, I see. It helps you breathe deeply, right?
Yes. Inhale, exhale. I feel peaceful now.
Nice. Next is downward dog, my favorite stretch.
Downward dog. Hands and feet on ground, hips up high.
Haha, your form is perfect. Legs straight.
Trying hard. It strengthens my arms and legs.
Strong, Emily. Do you hold each pose long?
About 30 seconds. Then I switch sides slowly.
Good timing. What about warrior pose for power?
Yes, warrior 2. One leg forward, arms wide.
You look like a superhero. Feeling strong?
Super strong. I love this feeling.
Me too. Sun salutation to finish the flow?
Let's do it together. Reach up, fold, plank.
Flowing so smoothly. You're glowing after yoga.
Thanks, Zoe. Now I'm full of positive energy.
Awesome. Time for breakfast after this?
Yes, let's grab smoothies on the way home.
Breakfast at a cute cafe.
Liam, long time no see. Join me for breakfast?
Emily, surprise! What are you ordering today?
Avocado toast with poached eggs and a fresh smoothie.
Sounds healthy. Do you come here often?
Almost every weekend. The food is delicious here.
I see why. Do you add chili flakes?
Sometimes for spice, it wakes up my taste buds.
Spicy breakfast? Brave. What smoothie flavor?
Strawberry banana today, sweet and creamy.
My favorite too. Do you read the menu slowly?
Yes, I like choosing new things to try.
Adventurous. Do you take photos of your food?
Yes, for my daily story.
Look cute, right?
Very cute. Does coffee come with it?
Always a latte with heart art on top.
Art in coffee? Show me when it arrives.
Here's comes. Look, perfect heart.
Wow, so pretty. Breakfast makes mornings better.
Totally. Chatting with you makes it even better.
Haha, same here. What's next after eating?
Heading to work with a happy stomach.
Working from home with focus time.
Hi, Noah. I'm starting work at my desk now.
Hey, Emily. How's your morning going so far?
Great. Full of energy from yoga and breakfast.
Lucky you. What tasks are on your list today?
First, check emails and reply to important ones.
Emails take time. Do you use a timer?
Yes, Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes focused.
Pomodoro. What does that mean exactly?
It's a method. Work focused, then short break.
Oh, clever. Helps avoid getting tired.
Exactly. I also drink water during breaks.
Hydration is key. Any fun background music?
Lo-fi beats. It keeps me calm and productive.
I like that too. Do you stand up sometimes?
Yes, stretch during 5-minute breaks.
Good for your back. Any meetings later?
One team call at 11. I'm preparing notes.
You're organized. Feeling motivated today?
Very motivated. Work feels easier with good routine.
Inspiring. Let's crush these tasks together.
Haha, team spirit. See you in the call.
Lunch adventure. Picnic with surprise.
Harper, what a surprise. You brought lunch?
Surprise picnic, Emily. I missed our chats.
This is amazing. Look at all the yummy food.
Sandwiches, fruits, cookies, everything fresh.
You're the best. Do you make these yourself?
Yes, early this morning. Try the turkey one.
Mmm, so tasty. What's your secret ingredient?
A little honey mustard, sweet and tangy.
Delicious. Do we have juice too? Fresh lemonade, cool and refreshing. Perfect for sunny day. Birds are joining us. They want cookies too. Shoo shoo. Cute visitors. Do you come to this park often? When I want to relax and eat outside. Me too now. This feels like a mini holiday. Exactly. Tell me about your morning. Yoga, cafe breakfast, focused work, busy but fun. Sounds balanced. Any funny stories? My cat jumped on keyboard during call. Hick hick. Classic. Lunch with friends is the best. Totally agree. Thanks for this surprise, Harper.
Evening hobby. Painting and music.
Hi, Leo. I'm painting the sunset tonight.
Beautiful view, Emily. What colors are you using?
Orange, pink, purple, mixing them softly.
It looks magical already. Do you paint often?
A few times a week. It helps me relax.
Creative hobby. Can I play guitar while you paint?
Yes, please. Soft music makes it more special.
Strumming gently, like this. Feels peaceful.
So nice. The melody matches the colors.
Inspiration. Do you draw people or landscapes?
Mostly landscapes. Nature makes me happy.
Same here with music. Any new song ideas?
Maybe a song about daily joys and small surprises.
Cool theme. Do you hum while painting?
Sometimes humming la la la.
Cute voice. Painting makes you glow.
Thanks. Evening hobbies recharge my energy.
Totally. Want to add stars to the sky?
Yes, twinkling white dots. Almost done.
Masterpiece. Great way to end the day.
Night wind down and self-care.
Hi, Ava. Just finished my night shower. Feeling clean. Hey, Emily. You look so relaxed. What products? Lavender body wash. Smells like a dream. Lavender helps sleep. Do you use face mask too? Yes, sheet mask with aloe. Cooling and soothing. Sheet mask? Explain how it works, please. It's a wet cloth full of nutrients for skin. Oh, fun! Do you read while masking? A short story or journal my day? Journaling is great. What did you write today? Grateful for yoga, picnic surprise, painting time. Positive vibes. Do you set alarm already? Yes, for tomorrow's adventure at 7. Early bird. Any last self-care step? Moisturizer and deep breathing in bed. Breathe in, out, feel the calm. So relaxing. Almost sleepy now. Sweet dreams coming. Any worries today? None. Everything was fun and balanced. That's the goal. Night, night, beautiful. Night, Ava. Thanks for the chat. Sweet dreams.
That's Emily's exciting Monday full of variety and joy. Try building your own routine and practice these conversations. English learning can be this fun every day. See you next time.